Hey guys, iAligator here, and today I'm back with an unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro. This just arrived today, which is September 20th, the launch date. And here it is in the box. As with most other new iPhones, no numbering or anything on it, just iPhone. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'm excited to be upgrading this guy because I've had my iPhone 7 for too long now, since the year it came out. So it's gonna be a big upgrade. Pretty cool. There's a little embroidered part for the camera module, which is kind of funny because everyone's been focusing on the camera module so much for this one. Let's put that to the side. And here's the phone itself. Uncovered on this side, which is atypical, and also on its back, I guess to accommodate for that camera module. And here's the screen protector. Let's take that off. Feels not too heavy, definitely heavier than the 7 I had before this. And you can see the Apple logo is, I think, a little bit bigger and also centered. And let's go ahead and turn it on. The notch is still there, and it's unfortunately not USB-C, which is a big thing I was hoping for with this year's model, but it seems like it's going to be next year's or further out. The typical stuff. This is the fast charger block, which is USB-C on this end, still Lightning on the other end. I think this is the 18 watt, and that supposedly only comes with the Pro, not the iPhone 11. And here's the cable. Perfect. Now let's see why it's not powering on. There we go. So take a little bit more. And wow, that OLED screen is really nice. So that's all. I guess the biggest highlight out of this is that this part is embroidered. And no adapter anymore, which is, I guess, the trend with the new iPhones. So thanks for watching. As always, follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/iAligator. That's where I'm the most active. And I'll see you at some point in the future, near or far. Bye-bye.